Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Davis Martin here. It's Saturday evening, actually, but I was about to go to bed, but I was just doing some reading. I read a lot, gang. I read anything which I believe can provide value, and that is included in obviously books, articles. Even audio books. That's what I listen to at the gym every morning is Audible, right? And I read some information just a little while ago, like 30, 60 minutes ago, and I wanted to share it with you immediately while it's on the top of my mind. So this white line right here on this chart, this is a chart of SPY, the ETF, which covers the S&P 500 in the US here. And while markets are closed for President's Day, there is some important information we need to take into account heading into Tuesday. So this white line right here, the 200-day simple moving average line, above it, above it, above it. All right. Now we got stuck a little bit back here, right around February 5th or so. Took a dip, took a breather, which is fine. Then only to resume an uptrend. And now on par on Friday's closed. We closed strong with high volume for a Friday. All right. So this tells me, considering that we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a few bundles back above the 200-day simple moving average line in SPY, the ETF, which covers the S&P 500, since we started a sell-off in October, tells me that we could be resuming higher. All right, and what I'm noticing here, step by step, is that unless we get bearish news out of China regarding the trade wars and stuff, we could continue to rip higher back to exactly where my cursor is right now, which is all-time highs. It's not going to happen all in one day. It's not going to happen all in one week, all right? These moves take time. But with that time can come money because you can day trade and you can swing trade, okay? So barring any bearish news out of China, I believe we could rip back higher here. So the trend has been established, all right, to the upside, clearly, all right? Look at this chart here. Now, we trace back and we think about, all right, what is the trade of the day with Daily Profit Machine about? Trends, identifying where the money is, identifying how to make it, and executing upon it. All right. On top of that, I also have my eyes on one energy stock. Take a look at the energy sector, XLE, banging, right? One energy stock, which I want to buy call options on a dip. Obviously, the sector has plenty of room to run up, and one financial stock as well, which I want to buy call options on a dip as well. All right. Now, the financial sector itself is close to resistance. The stock I want is not. So I'm ready for some bullish movement there. The trend is your friend. We are in an uptrend here, barring any negative news out of China. I think we can go higher. SPY 280 is going to be a critical level. We are above 277. Anybody who had the opportunity to learn from me recently heard me mention multiple times that 277 was a critical resistance area, and we closed above it. Now, a lot can happen between now and Tuesday morning when markets open back up for trading again, all right? But should these trends remain established heading into Tuesday, I am psyched. It's a 4-day trading week, but I want to make it profitable to the tune of a 6-day trading week, all right? So, I hope this lesson has helped you. We are above the 200-day simple moving average line. October sell-off is almost written off. Do you realize how close we are? Not all that far away, right? SPY 280 is completely realistic given this volume, unless we get bearish news out of China. I am psyched for the Daily Profit Machine trades of the day and to buy energy on a pullback and financials on a pullback. I think we have a fun week in store, and it's going to be worth everybody's long weekend. Speaking of which, I hope you're enjoying your long weekend with friends and family. I know I am. Have a great day, ladies and gents.